Hey, it's Paul, maker of Satelliter. Today, I'm introducing Satelliter for Webflow, the ultimate Webflow SEO blog automation tool. With Satelliter for Webflow, you can generate high-quality SEO articles that auto-publish to Webflow. This AI tool is the easiest solution to reach #1 on Google and bring visitors to your Webflow. I'll show you in 42 seconds how to create a fully automated SEO blog for your Webflow. On Satelliter, go to Publish, choose Webflow. Now, we will generate an API token to connect Satelliter to Webflow. Navigate to your Webflow workspace, then click on Apps and Integrations in the left menu. Scroll down to the API Access section and click on the Generate API Token button. Manage the permissions as desired. I recommend setting CMS to read and write and sites to read only. Name your token and then generate it. Copy your API token. Return to Satelliter and paste your API token. We're already halfway through the process, so hang in there. It's almost finished. We'll now connect Satelliter to your CMS collection, which will serve as your blog. Go back to your Webflow dashboard and click on Open Designer. In the left menu, navigate to CMS. Select the CMS collection you wish to connect and copy the collection ID. Return to Satelliter and paste your CMS collection ID. Now all you have to do is link the API fields to your collection with the same field names, like name for the title, slug for the URL, and post body for the main content. And that's it. Your Webflow site will now be enriched with daily, high-quality, SEO-optimized content. It's time to empower your Webflow blog to not just compete, but dominate in your niche. Start a blog with Satelliter today.